Let us start with Aries. Aries, this particular week, Mars, Venus, Ketu, Dragon's Head are traveling in the 12th house of yours. Due to that, expenditure will be sky high. There will be a fluctuation regarding your flow of income. There will be quite a few personal problems, domestic problems, complication. Due to outside influence, you'll have a few issues to deal with. You have to be very careful about your spending, your investment. This is not the time to lend anybody any money. This is not the time to involve yourself in any kind of a risky investment. Sometimes struggle will be quite a lot. Sometimes everybody would like to test your patience, your tolerance, may I say your fiber. Your resources will be there, but sometimes you'll be shuffling from one part to another part. Expenditure can be beyond your expectation. Due to Saturn's part as well. Saturn is in the 8th house. Saturn can dominate your profession. At the same time, your flow of income. You have to be very careful about your health. Health linked with blood, urine, eyesight, skin, joints, hip, bones. More you become overexcited, temperamental, more you're going to creating a lot of troubles for yourself. Try not to make any financial decision or any investment or any professional decision with anger, when you are very emotionally vulnerable, or when you are on your very high. You have to calm down yourself. This is not the time to listen someone's word to word fancy idea, invest money. Is somebody here to make you filthy rich, very rich? This is not the right time. Try not to buy that particular scheme or plan. You have to be very careful about your money and beware of a huge deception. At the same time, look after your health. Aries, this particular week can be tricky. You have to be very wise. You have to be very careful about your decisions and choices you're making. So whatever you do, try not to rush into anything and try not to be over aggressive about your approach when it comes to investment. Nobody is challenging your ego. You have to calm down yourself. Thanks for watching my weekly horoscopes. If you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe for more contents including monthly horoscope, yearly horoscopes. If you have enjoyed this video, then please do give it a like. And also if you have any comments or suggestions regarding our forecast, please leave me your comments below. I'll be more than happy to respond. But if you have more information, you're looking for more information regarding your yearly horoscopes, why don't you visit our website? There's a lot of information just waiting for you. If you know my name, Prakash Astrologer, visit my website. Wish you all the best. Take care.